Introduction. In this assignment, we conducted a study on workplace ergonomics at a construction site to identify factors that can affect worker health and productivity. Ergonomy is the study of the complex interaction between work aspects, including work equipment, work procedure, work process, and system, and the work environment with the physical, physiological, and psychological condition of employees, allowing them to work safely and comfortable, efficient, and more productivities. The objective of this study is to identify ergonomic risk factors in the worker, daily activities, and propose solutions to reduce injuries and improve their well-being at work. In this study, we will examine aspects such as body posture operation, machine repetitive tool usage, and the environmental factors that negatively impact worker. Holding heavy welding equipment. Ergonomic risk factor. Forceful ascension to hold equipment. 2. Strain on arm, wrist, and shoulder. 3. Fatigue from extended tool holding. Possible MSD, elbow tendinitis, wrist strain, shoulder bursitis. Symptom: elbow pain and tenderness, pain and weakness in the wrist and forearm, shoulder pain, especially when lifting or rotating the arm. Proposed solution: engineering control, use lighting welding equipment or harness system to support heavy tool employ, counterbalance device or tool suspension system, administrative control alternative between heavy and lighter tasks to reduce the duration of tool holding. Train worker in proper lifting and tool holding technique. PPE, ergonomically designed wrist and shoulder support.
My name is Muhammad Syakir Danish bin Muhammad Zaini. My activity is posture welding. The ergonomic risk factor of posture welding is heavy lifting and forceful exertion. For example, welders may need to lift and position heavy material or equipment, often in awkward stance that can strain the lower back and legs. Improper lifting technique or unsupported positioning further increase the risk of injury. The symptom of posture welding is reduced grip strength. For solution for this for, for the posture welding is arm support can help steady hands during fine work, reducing risk and shoulder fatigue. What is posture welding? Posture welding refers to the body positioning, movement, and stand a welder adopts while working, which play a crucial role in maintaining safety, stability, and precision. Welding often requires awkward positioning, especially in constrained space, and the right posture can reduce the risk of fatigue, injury, and injuries in welds.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman. My matrix number is 16DET24F1112. My activity that I choose is overhead welding. What is overhead welding? Overhead welding is a welding technique where the weld is performed above the welder's head, typically on the underside of a joint. This position is considered one of the most challenging in welding because gravity works against the welder, causing molten metal to sag and potentially drip, increasing the risk of burns and weld defects. The ergonomic risk factor of overhead welding is neck and back strain. For example, they need to look up for extended period strains the neck and upper spine. This repeat neck extension can lead to discomfort, muscle stiffness, and over time, even chronic neck pain and or injury. The symptoms: shoulder pain, especially when lifting or lowering the arms. The solution: use of positioners and adjustable scaffolding. Employ work positioners, rotators, or adjustable scaffolding to better position the workpiece. Adjusting the height and angle of the work can often bring it within a more comfortable range of the welder, minimizing the need to work overhead. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Afif and my activity is welding in confined space. For the ergonomic risk factor, is it welding in small space is dangerous due to poor air, toxic fumes, and hard exits. For example, the symptom is nausea and vomiting. Um, for the solution, we can use emergency plan and standby personnel. What is welding in confined space? Welding in confined space is a high-risk activity that requires strict safety protocols. Confined space can include tasks, silos, works, pits, pipes, or any area with limited entry or exit point. Restricted ventilation um, restricted ventilation and limited space to maneuver. Hazards associated with welding in confined space include toxic fumes, oxygen deficiency, risk of explosion, and difficulty in exiting during emergencies. That's all from me. In the conclusion of safety in welding emphasizes the importance of stringent adherence to safety practices to protect welders, nearby personnel, and equipment from hazards associated with welding processes. Welding involves high temperature, toxic fumes, intense light, and potential for electric shock, which can lead to serious injury or even fatalities if proper safety measures are not implemented. That's all from our team. Thank you.